morning, everybody. This lesson plan is designed mainly for kids who are 8 years old. Okay, let's start. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, great. Okay, today is Tuesday, right?
Yes.
How is the weather today? Look at the window, please.
Today is sunny.
It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. Okay, it's cloudy. Right? So today is it's cloudy, okay? But today is June 30, 2015. Okay. Let's start the class. Do you go at the zoo? Look at the picture, please. This is the zoo. Do you go at the zoo?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. We have a lot of animals in this place, right?
Yes.
Like, for example, what animal we have in this picture? Right. Lion. Giraffe. Tiger. Very good. Yes. A monkey. Right? So, let's see some animals at the zoo. Right? Look at this. Here we have some animals. Right? Yeah. Let's make the sound of these animals. Okay? For example, we have a monkey. Let's make the sound of the monkey. Right. Very good. Very good. Next we have an elephant. Look at the elephant. Here we have the elephant. Let's make the sound. Very good. We have a tiger. Look at the tiger. Very good. The lion. Great. So, at the zoo, we have an elephant, a lion, a bird, a monkey, and a tiger. Okay? Those animals live in this place at the zoo. Okay?
Okay, students. Once you have looked about the zoo and the different animals that we have there, I have a little gift for you. A small study about animals. So let me read it for you. Once upon a time, at the zoo there was a lot of animals. For example, a lion, as you can see. What is the sound of the lion? Excellent. There was a lion, a giraffe. We don't know the sound, but it is like a guinea pig. An elephant. As you can see. Ricardo, could you make the sound of the... Try. Yes, you can. There was also a monkey and a tiger. As you can see, a tiger and a bear. So, it says that one day the giraffe was really bad with all of the animals because of his long neck. She used to eat all the food from the whole animals. So all the animals were very sad because they haven't anything to eat. But suddenly the monkey had an idea. Something comes to the mind of the monkey. So he thought that they will put the giraffe in a cage with a poster that says, "Please feed me, please." So after that, all the visitors for the zoo went there and left a lot of food for the giraffe. So finally, all the animals were happy. Each one had their food. So that was all, and I hope that it really likes you. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Which animals did you like, Luis? Why? Thank you.
Okay, students, now that you know animals at the zoo, can you tell me which animals are in the zoo? Please, Cynthia, can you tell me your favorite animal? The zebra. Yeah, very good. Nat, what about you?
The lion.
Okay, very good. And Javier, finally, which animal is your favorite?
The monkey.
Okay, so now let's play. So I'm going to choose any one of you, as you know, and you are going to pass to the front, and you have to complete the name of the animal. For example, which animal is this? This is a
Tiger.
very good. Tiger. Can you repeat? Tiger. Okay, very good. So I'm going to choose anyone, and you have to pass and write the name of the second animal. Okay? So, eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hurt her, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Mariela, please. Okay. Let's help Mariela. Which animal is this? This is a... Yeah, this is a bear. Which is the sound of the bird? Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hurt her, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Please. Vanessa, can you pass?
Yes.
Okay, let's help Vanessa. Which is this animal? This is a lion. Very good, Vanessa. Okay, now I'm going to choose anyone. So please, Sylvia. Okay, Sylvia. Okay. Very good. This is an elephant. this one. Anyone can raise your hand and say which is this animal? Please, Carolina. Yeah, you have to raise your hand and say which is the animal.
Jirafa.
Yeah, very good. This is a giraffe. Okay. And finally, Fernando, can you pass and write the name of this animal? Okay, thank you, Fernando. Thank you, Fernando. So now, which are the animals at the zoo? Let's say everybody. Tiger, bear, lion, elephant, giraffe, monkey. Okay, very good.
Okay, we're gonna continue as you know the animals. Let's remember what are the animals in the story. What animals we had in the story?
Giraffe.
The monkey, very good. An elephant, Nash.
A lion?
A lion, very good. Mary. A tiger, very good. Perfect. As you know the animals, I'm gonna give you those papers and I'm gonna explain to you. We're gonna have this paper. You have the pictures of the animals. So what are the animals that we have in here? The elephant, a giraffe, a tiger. So very good. What you're gonna do is the following. You are gonna have the scissors. You're gonna take the scissors and you are gonna cut each of the animals. You have to cut. Once you have the picture, you are gonna choose in the other paper. I'm gonna give you the other paper in which you have the chart for paste the animal. For example, what is this animal?
Tiger.
Tiger. So we have it here, and please, Gloria, I'm going to give you this picture. Can you go and choose the chart? Please, according to the name. Very good. This is the tiger. So I have in here also a picture. What is this animal? Elephant. Very good, Vanessa. Please, can you go and place it in the correct chart? Please, I'm gonna give you the papers. You take one and Okay. Do you finish the activity? Yes. So let's gonna check the answers what we have in the first. Please, Daniel, can you read the animals in the chart?
Tiger,
Tiger, very good. What is the second one?
elephant,
Elephant, very good. Thank you. Please, Wilson, could you read the third one? Third one, please. The bear, very good. Please, Carolina, can you read number 4?
Monkey.
Monkey, very good. Please, Jessica, could you read number 5?
Lion.
Lion. And finally, please, Annabelle.
Giraffe.
Very good, too. Perfect. So for the next class, you have the homework. You are gonna look for some pictures like this of the animals that you have seen in a zoo. And you are gonna do the similar. You are gonna cut the animals and you are gonna paste in your notebook. Once you paste in your notebook like this, you write the name. Okay?
Okay, dear students, let's continue. Before going to home, I'm going to give you a very nice song. I hope you like it before going to home because I noticed that you are tired, right? Yeah. So it's time to relax. We are going to sing. And first of all, I'm going to give you instructions about what you are going to do. We are going to listen to the song. After that, I'm going to show you these animals. And I'm going to ask you, for example, what is this?
monkey,
Yeah, this is a monkey. It's not just a finger, it's a monkey. So if I say, what is this?
monkey,
Yeah, everybody has to say monkey. Yeah. What is this? Elephant. Elephant, right. So let's try. Listen first. What is this? Monkey. Right. This one? An elephant. Elephant, right. And this one? Tiger. Yeah, this is a tiger. Yeah, that's very nice, students. As I told you before going to home, we have just seen a little bit, and you have a homework. As you can read, you are going to look for some pictures of animals that you have seen in a zoo. Then you have to paste them on your notebooks and write the names of these animals, right? Like in this. Just to remember the homework that you have to do. And right now, we are also going to listen again the song. Yeah. Yeah, the last time. Try to sing together, right? Tomorrow, tomorrow,